Okay, here's a Suzuki Katana 2019 model with a Ventura pack rack and a Mistral 47 litre Ventus pack. So I'll just explain a little bit about this for touring. So as I said, 47 litres. This will hold all my tent, my sleeping bag, a air mattress, I don't know if you can see it, spare blanket. It will also hold a fuel bottle on each side, so half a litre. As we know, the Katana is not the best on fuel because it's only got a 12 litre tank, so that gives me 38 kilometres. Oh yeah, and this bottle, you can get a few different sizes, but this is half a litre, Trangia. And the great thing is, you just undo the cap and just press the button, and it releases the fuel. And then you release the button, and then it'll stop dripping. So you don't have really any fuel wastage when you use it. Okay, in the front I have a trusty first aid kit that everyone should have in case any accidents. So yeah, that's the setup, and this is the beautiful Katana. So I've kept it pretty much stock. So yeah, this Ventura rack, it connects two of these rods by two bolts. It's actually a really excellent setup. Bike spools installed, some bike bling. I kind of cheated with the GSXR cap because they don't make the S that I've noticed. Tank pads installed, quad lock for the GPS, and some Oggy Nogs for protection and on the front. But yeah, this is the bike. The other cheat, put some stickers on here. These are made just to protect the paint. Yeah, so that's the setup.